How to edit trending TikTok anime videos like this? Using the CapCut app. Let's get started. Okay, create a new project in the CapCut app. And add one of the photos you have. Tap on your photo clip. Open the Style menu. Then among these comic or anime effects, choose the one you like. Next, extend the duration of your photo to more than 10 seconds. Then export it. Then to edit videos like the anime trend on TikTok, open the template menu. Search for trend Douyin. Then choose this one. Use the template. Select your same photo as before. And then the exported anime photo videos by tapping 2 times. Watch the preview first. Then tap Export. Okay guys, those are the steps. How to edit the trending TikTok anime videos using the CapCut app. I hope this video is useful. See you in the other upcoming CapCut video tutorials. And thanks for watching.